watch what God does to these two legs. See, the heels are together. They look like they're pretty much the same. And what's your name?
James.
James. Go ahead, James. Now, what's your name?
Brant.
And Brant, you're giving James permission to grow a leg out, right? Go ahead, James.
All right. Right leg grow in Jesus' name.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness!
More, Lord.
No!
More, Lord.
Wow!
All right, now watch this. Left leg grow. More. He's 2 inches taller.
Hold on a second. Wait, watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Both legs, go back.
Oh my!
More. Left leg, come out. Now. Left leg, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. More, more, more.
Let's go for 7
More.
foot. Come on, 7 foot.
All right, now. Try this. All right.
Left leg, go back. 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 All right, now stand up while it's crooked.
Oh
Check
my
it out.
goodness!
He's done. I did.
Okay, so this is the real deal. Here's all eyewitnesses. Eyewitnesses.
So go back and watch your shoulder
Okay,
back.
yeah, watch this. Which way? Which leg? Which one's?
That's short. The right leg is long.
So which one is messed up? I forget. The left leg's too short, right?
Yes.
No, I think the right leg. I think
No,
the right
you're
leg.
leaning.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Tell you what.
This one's too long.
Okay, right leg, go back. Shorten up. Shorten up. Shorten up.
Wow, look at him! Wow!
Turn up.
Wow!
Sit back down. Sit back down. I want you. This is pretty cool. I've never seen one this reactive.
Right?
Okay.
You went like immediately.
Left leg, come out now. Come out. Left leg, come out. 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 More. More. More.
What's his name?
More. More. Okay, stay still for a minute. Now look, these hips are totally the same, right? Right leg, come out now. More. More. More.
Wow!
Both legs, go back now. Go back. Go even. Go even. Right leg. Go back. Go back.
I know.
Go back.
I always wanted to be over 5 foot like a leg.
Beautiful, man.
Wow.
This is awesome. Now,
Oh my goodness!
all these eyewitnesses, is this guy faking this?
No!
Not at all.
This is for real. So let's get, so everybody from every possible camera angle can say it isn't cheated. One second, just a second. Hold on, can you move your feet for a second?
I want to try it.
Right leg, come out, now. Come out, come out, come out.
Oh my goodness! Wow!
Left leg come out right now in Jesus' name.
Wait, can I try it?
Sure.
Okay. You can be really tall. Right leg, go back. Oh! No! Right leg, go back some more. Go back some more. Go. Wow.
Do it, little one.
Okay, come on.
Goodness. Wow.
This little girl's gonna do it. Tell the right leg to grow out, okay?
Grow out.
Tell the left leg to grow out.
Grow out.
Wow.
Wow, look at you.
Okay, both legs go back. Go back. Go back. Go back, both of you. Back. Back. Shorter.
He wants to be taller.
Wow. Okay. I think that's kind of like proof enough, don't you think?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so this is the Kingdom Awakening 2015, and what's your name again?
Brant.
Brant, what's your last name?
Benjamin.
Okay, so this is the real deal. God saw it, we all saw it. Jesus is real.
Child.
Right leg, come out.
6-year-old.
Right leg, go back. All right, well, there it is. See you next time.